So where do we start? Look, no keyless access, only hot core, only key. No start, stop, and keyless go missing. Yes, to start,
But
you must gently, like really gently, you know, like right before you insert.
get into the slot.
Well, I don't know who has a battery and who doesn't, right? But you need to gently insert the key like this. Well, if you don't lick it, then say a mantra to it. And now attention, something magical happens. We rotate it. So we switch off the radio because we want to focus on what's happening. Yes, because what vibrations? Felt vibrations.
It's dangerous to put girls here after all.
Yes, not that word, all vibrations they can experience. Guys, look, Roadion is all about pleasure, but I'm all about hardcore. Observe this, mileage is 59 kilometers. This is the counter. It is located here, exactly as it was on Soviet cash registers, isn't it? So there are no screens like in the new one. Stupid screens that I detest. Yes, that is the entirety of it. That is an excellent analogy. Solid numbers, everything is beautiful. What else is present here? Not leather, it's suede. Superior to skin. The tree is authentic.
I agree, Kirill. I love leather, but the way this velour feels tactilely, how it looks, it's just indescribable.
And now Roadion will tell you what the music sounds like in this car.
Yes, let us listen. Is it a cassette, correct?
Here, look. Generally, the stereo was the coolest during that time. This is a cassette tape. This is a reverse gear. So it can be driven in two directions. She has a digital display and electronic tone controls and whatever else, and no tone. Start here, that's how it is.
What sound?
Here, factory skirt. Which Shazam are they playing?
Shazam at its maximum, analog in full force, an explosive blast that embodies the essence of pure power and energy. Automatic is written.
Automatic for the people, at Roadion Melamat's place. There is such an album. Nevertheless, in fact, Roadion Melamat and I. Well, he already broke Tor, yes, it's true. By the way, this is actually probably not leather at all, but nonetheless, look, there are a plethora of visors available. There is a mirror here, there is a mirror there. And only a collector like me will mention that there are no mirrors on the SL Roadster in this location. The assumption is that a man should be the one driving, and Brutal should be seated in the passenger seat next to him. Well, how brutal?
Not brutal.
So we possess a hatch. Let's give the Ambifada hatch a try. Let's attempt to open it and see what happens. He even opens.
Are you aware that, for instance, in Lexus, in the analog of the S-Class, there is a sunroof present?
Open it with a pen.
But not a handle, but a handle like this. And here is automation, friends, despite the fact that it is the 90s.
What 90s?
This is the 80s.
It's the 80s from the last year of production, 91, and an amazing car.
Nevertheless,
it transported dictators, presidents, drug barons, rock stars. Who is there? Hello, yes, YouTube, probably he rode on it. Here he sat in salon. We desired to witness the look of a beard, right? Or what we refer to it as, wait, do not touch, you will damage it. Actually, I truly appreciate the fact that all positions are filled. Here are all of these buttons. Do you know what this button is for?
This is probably for hanging chains.
Neck chains. In fact, here, what's beautiful, what's not, what's the difference? There is and there is.
Friends, please write in the comments this is some kind of bolt.
You see a button in the S-Class, a bolt, and here's some kind of pin, a pin. And here's a light bulb. Light bulb. Look, separate climate. You have the ability to regulate all of this economy. Of course, automatic. We have 4 power windows for each window. Seat heating. There is such a cool option called an electric curtain. Now I will need to press and then I will expand back. It's not working.
No worries.
There is a dog over there. Yes, doggy, by the way. Could you show the doggy to me? The dog shakes her head when you drive by. This is unique.
And hypnotizes the car behind. But it's dangerous, Kirill.
She greets, hi there, folks. I am a dog, a loyal companion known for my unconditional love and playful nature. Nevertheless.
Kirill, can you confirm if you see continuity? Even at that time, they had seat adjustment in the form of seat adjustments.
Well, what can I say? I possess a brand new scoop, yes. And there exists in reality what exactly? The existing implementation, yes, how it all looked. Yes, it's great because in BMW or somewhere you have to blindly climb.
Oh wait, your armrest is also in motion.
Well, come open.
No, you pressed it and he moved.
This is with me. Wow, friends, armrests move. Rear seats are separate. I have the armrest that can be moved.
Yes.
Yes, imagine, fantastic.
So only 2 girls can be seated then?
If desired, you can put one small one in the middle, athlete or gymnast. Why is it here? Sports?
Planet Earth.
So you can't close it like this. Look, you need to press here, that's all.
Not bad.
In fact, here's when you can simultaneously ride in such a car, practically new from the 80s, and sit behind the wheel of a new one from the class. Well, true, from the coupe door. Yes, you immediately feel a certain transformation.
What a stylish, what a luxurious experience.
The image was in the 1980s, correct? How did he transform at this moment? And please take note, gentlemen, everything is not in our favor. Because in modern, in 223rd or whatever, there is no tactility. You can just take. And all of these senses, they're all silly.
Why bother them?
Well, yes, it's better to touch a girl or a white robot. What is this sensor?
Sure.
Know this, what is... No. So your thoughts?
By Vabasta written.
Well, the incident started. I just had to display it in this manner. This is a clear case of arson that needs to be investigated thoroughly. Arson. Now we will wait for you. In fact, it is truly Webasto, but at this moment we have it. Sport? Sport, wow.
What's this? Savings.
But now we don't have sports, now we have loafing.
Individuals cease merely to observe us.
Do you not see, my dear companions? It is clear.
They observed this Mercedes.
They liked it. They said, yes, that's it. Thank you. Everyone is free.
They do not even compare to yours.
Yes. Nevertheless, I want to put a supersonic sound here and hidden sound. Here, let's try to take it easy to make such a huge project that nothing is visible.
Friends, kindly comment on the sound and acoustic system that can be installed in this location. What columns? They must definitely be hidden. What amplifier? And is it worth doing sound insulation? Your input matters to us.
Yes, certainly. Compose and we will observe.
Yes, why is it that they do not make them now?
How can they not?
Currently, the Mercedes has a handle here, if it's not the AMG version, right?
Likely, yes. I have SL. It has a small handle here. Well, small hand, small hand.
Well, she's tactically pleasant. She just needs a rose, I think.
Well, what type of roses? Is it possible to heat it? Let's go. No, in reality, the ultimate note should be that we bring you joy, happiness, music, high-end audio, hi-fi systems, and the vibrant car culture that surrounds us.
Also love.
Yes, and love. Love for what? Love for a woman or for a car? Love for music? Love for life?
And there.
Yes. And additionally to home theaters. There we go. We cannot afford to miss, even though we are fully committed and invested. Hey guys, please listen up and show your support by expressing your emotions, supporting us with your likes, inviting people, and watching this video. Because every like and comment from you is incredibly valuable and helps Roadion promote the most amazing content about hi-fi, high music, cars, girls, love, and pleasure. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Yes, that's it. Is there anything else you need?
Final query. How do you like this video? Oh, fuck.
Yes, amazing. Look, there is not a single button you see except for this one. That's all. You don't have any volume, you don't have anything else. Cruise control, yes, that's all. A few switches. That's all. You simply continue driving and driving. Naturally, behavioral model or behavioral patterns.
Kindly pay heed what a condition it is.
Well, everything new, everything. Here is a new car. It has a mileage of 50 kilometers.
I desire to dwell in this car. I don't need any cottages. I don't need an apartment for living.
I just agreed to it. Soul, where will you go? Please let me know.
Shower?
Yes.
Don't need a shower? Why take a shower?
Yes, it is indeed true. There is a stick right here. It is currently raining, so if you just stick out and undress, you will see girls gather around. They will say, wow, Roadion, you look really cool.
With a bare torso.
Yes, they will call a fire truck to hose you down.
By the way, there's a fire hydrant a bit farther.
Just take off. Let's do it like in New York.
Exactly, we'll run naked.
I will not do it. This is a wolf. That is the end of it, guys. There is nothing more to say. Let's move on. No, don't.
Unable to stop.
Let me finalize the release or else he won't get sufficient playtime. Come on, lend me your hand. Friends, please write. We are eagerly waiting for your likes. We love each and every one of you. I was with you, Germes, Roadion, on the channel Droid, Super Android. Goodbye, goodbye.